Hey y'all, it's Grumpy. Today's gonna be a special episode giving a shout out to my dad over at the Ribdoctor. We're gonna be using his barbecue sauce today. So make sure that you head down to Ribdoctor.com and grab yourself a nice bottle of this Caribbean Sweet Bbq sauce. We're gonna be using today's episode. I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy's Outlaw Kitchen. And today, we're doing Ribdoc wings. And I know what you're saying, what are Ribdoc wings? Don't you worry. We're gonna do it nice and fun. It's gonna be a real easy and simple recipe. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Yeah, we're gonna need a few things for our wings. Number one, party wings. We're using Foster Farm party wings. So we're using that. Then we're using our lemon pepper. Of course, our Ribdoctor Caribbean Sweet Bbq Sauce. Pepper. Of course, our pink Himalayan. And a little garlic powder. And of course, fish fry and chicken breading. This is going to help us out. And we're going to go ahead and start. Alright, so now we're going to get our seasoning in there and in the bag, ready to go. First, we're going to do our chicken fry. We're going to put that in the bag right here. And then we're going to go ahead and get our fish fry in the bag. And this is going to be our base for everything. We're not going to use flour, so we're going to go all about flavor. So then we're going to add our seasoning salt, or excuse me, Himalayan pink salt. About 6 cracks will do it. And of course, black pepper. We're going to go a little heavy on the black pepper because we're seasoning, and this is our breading. Just like that. Then we're going to add our garlic pepper, or excuse me, garlic powder. I can't word today. Just like that. About 4 tablespoons will do it. Then we're going to go for the chili powder. Real low, just about 2 tablespoons. Just like that, real simple. And then lemon powder. Just like that. And that's all we need. And now we're ready to go ahead and start adding chicken. Alright, so now we got our chicken here. First thing we want to do is make sure we wash it off and clean it. Make sure there's no feathers or anything like that in our chicken. So I got a little strainer I use for my chicken. So what we're going to do right now, we're checking, make sure everything's clean and sanitary. Then we're going to go ahead and start checking, make everything good. There's no feathers, there's nothing bad over here. So what we're going to do now is make sure that we start putting into our bag and start working. Alright, so now we got our clean chicken. We're going to go ahead and start adding to the bag. And we're going to just put the whole thing in there just like that, smooth and easy. And we're going to make sure, after we're done, we remove our gloves because we don't want to cross-contaminate anything, including our bag that we're using. So now we're done with that. We'll put that on our dirty plate here. And I close our bag just like this. Grab it at the bottom of the neck. Just give it a little shake. Just like that, a little shake. Real smooth and easy. Rigorous good shaking. And now what we're going to do, open her up, see what we got, and get some new pair of gloves on, and start adding our chicken to the fryer. So as you see here, we got a nice, freshly cleaned fryer. If your oil's clear, you're good. If it's a little black, you don't want to use that oil, dirty oil. But see here, clean and clear. So we're going to do now, start adding our chicken to the fryer. And for you guys at home right now asking, it's a little, literally it's a fiberware fryer, 20 bucks at Walmart. Or you can use a skillet at home, whatever is better for you. I have a fryer, so I use a fryer. So what we're going to do now is just add our chicken, as you see me doing now. And I have 2 different baskets so I can get the full load in, smooth and easy. If you get a little bit of breading in there, that's okay. And just like that, we're all good. We're going to take our gloves off again. And we're going to go ahead and drop our chicken. Just like that. Alright. So we fried these wings for about 10 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and temp them and see where we're at. And if you see, we're at 190. So that's perfect. We're at 190 over here and 202 over there. So I think we're done. So now what we're gonna do is grab our bowl here like this and get a basket full of wings. Another basket full of wings over here. Just smelling delicious, by the way. Alright, now we got our wings in our bowl. We're going for the most important part now, which is our Ribdoctor Caribbean Sweet Bbq Sauce. We're gonna go ahead and add that in there just like that. Get all of it in there best we can. We're gonna lid up like this. Make sure you fully seal because you don't want the thing popping while you're shaking it. Both thumbs, give it a good shake just like that. Now we got our sauce on them. They're all sauced up, ready for plating. I'm even gonna tongue because it's bad for scorching hot still. Just like that, you have your order. I'm Grumpy, and thank you for watching another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, featuring the Ribdoctor BBQ Sauce, Caribbean Sweet Ribdoctor. Make sure you go to Ribdoctor.com. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Now holla at you.